A warm welcome from the PPT guy for a tutorial to create an impressive cover slide. Here is a cover slide inspiration for you. This is awesome, right? Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a unique shape. I have already aligned guidelines for easy reference. The first step is to insert a rounded corner rectangle and adjust the corner radius. This is a complex shape to create in PowerPoint. However, I have made it easy for you all. Duplicate the first rectangle and change its color. Align it as I'm doing. The key is the corner radius. Adjust it to match the shape behind it. Duplicate the new rectangle and change its color. Reduce its size as I'm doing it. Having different colors will help in easy shape recognition, thus avoiding confusion. Again, adjust the corner radius to match the shape behind it. Place it like I'm doing, duplicate it a couple of times, and place it on the sides. I'll show you why place them in sides. Select the first 3 rectangles, and click on Union under the Merge Shapes. The shape is half done. Place the other 2 shapes next to the new shape. Let us zoom in a little and see if it is clearly aligned. Oops, it is not. Let us adjust it with the help of guidelines. Now that both shapes are aligned, insert a small rectangle in between the new shape and the round corner rectangle and change its color. Duplicate the rectangle and place it below. Select the first 2 rectangles and click on Subtract. So the same for the below 2 rectangles. Now, we have 3 shapes. Select all of them and click on Union under Merge Shapes. Now we have a new shape. But, we need to make this shape hollow. Insert a rectangle above the modified shape and send it backwards. First, select the rectangle and then the new shape. Click on Subtract under Merge Shapes. We have a hollow shape now. Next, insert another rounded corner rectangle and adjust the radius to make it similar to the outer shape. The next step is to insert a video. Click on Insert, then on Media and on Video. Insert the video from the local drive. Send it backwards and flip it horizontally, as the video gets covered on the left side. Change the color of the shapes to white. Insert some text for appearance. Let us insert a flag as well and some numbers related to wildfires. We'll do something extra and insert a transparent graph. Insert a round corner rectangle. Adjust its radius and duplicate it a few times. Select all the rectangles and click on Distribute horizontally. Change the height of individual rectangles. Next, select the white rectangle behind and all the small rectangles. Go to Merge Shapes and click on Subtract. We'll insert a transparent fire icon next. Go to Insert Icons and select the fire icon. Increase its size, and right-click on it, select Convert to Shape. Select the rectangle behind and the icon. Click on the video, under the Playback tab, and select Automatically. The PowerPoint cover slide design is ready. Hope this inspired you to new ideas. Rate this design in the comments. Subscribe to the PPT guy for more PowerPoint tutorials and design inspiration. Check out my next video and get one step closer to mastering the PowerPoint tool.